Welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Tonight is fried cabbage with shrimp, sausage, and bacon. Here's the morning mise en place. And just after prep, the second mise en place in order of appearance. I start with the bacon. Sizzling bacon. I pull the bacon and leave the grease. Then I saute the onions. I add the garlic for another minute. Then I add the bell pepper and carrot. Then I add the sausage and then saute. Then I add the shrimp and saute some more. Then I re-add the bacon. Then I add the cabbage. At this point, I add a little bit of white wine. Then I put it on low and let it simmer for a few minutes. The rice is ready. And here's the goodies. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Fried cabbage with shrimp, sausage, and bacon. Have fun cooking.